episode of the Cactus Farm. We don't know what came first, the toad or the root rot, but they're both gone now. So everyone's up for a repot. That's how we're getting rid of both. We are going to install quarantine levels.
Who doesn't talk to their cactus?
So these are the quarantine levels. The high level is below, and the low level are up high. These are the vivaparus ones that I've grown from seed. We have new heads, ripe for pupping. As for the Pediocactus, let's try freezing the seeds. These loafa oysters are for the non-mountain cacti. As they weather, you can pick them up and see fresh bits of bone. See, they are chocolate brown. And the oysters themselves are so detailed you can see tiny predator drill marks of smaller species trying to crack the shell to get to the oyster meat. Great! This is the perfect all-purpose non-mountain cacti rock. All you need in one fossil.
When did that happen?
So in this repot, we won't skimp out on the cactus rock this time. I don't want to shade Miracle-Gro cacti, palm, and citrus soil, but it's not for humid Texas climates, no matter how convincing the packaging. We're doing 100% cactus rock this round, a blend of largely inorganic alkaline rock dust from Hartselle, Colorado, and rock from metasomatized Statharian aged granite, Paleoproterozoic. Shipping will be drastically weightier, but health is foremost, or we won't have any to sell. This is the blend we will use for the Pediocactus simpsonii. As for other Texas cacti, like the macromeris, we will incorporate loafa oysters. single fruit grow from the Echinocereus coccineus this year. It's quite sticky. We'll be planting the first batch of its seeds today. So these are the baby.
We're in the rear end launch out of this branch. Cows are inside the tornado. God, this is sketch under here.
A watering. Everyone gets a watering. I would like to mention that storm chasing is my Sunday TV. And I was mad pupping. I love storms, but I did not realize the chasers were chasing in our direction. Until I saw the wall cloud. Whoa, where did that come from? It's either a wall cloud or a cloud burst. Wow, I haven't checked the radar in about an hour.
Because it is shut down. Or can you tell if there's any other vehicles involved? And I know it may be hard to tell, Lauren. Yeah, from where I am, I can only see one. But I did kind of consider first. There's a hail.
I'm getting the shot I wanted. I wanted to know if Mimosa quadrivalvus could predict hail. Wow, we are in a lot of circulation. We're in a tornado, guys! Tornado! We're in a fucking tornado!
sheltered in the bathtub. I wondered why they hadn't put out a tornado warning yet. As you can see, there's definite hook echo. Southern fall storms are strange. This was not a tornado, but a mesocyclone, complete with wall cloud, 70-mile-an-hour winds, and 2-inch hail. Not a tornado.
Oh, my safe seeds blew away.
Cactus rock really saved the day here. Oh my gosh, this is the first time I haven't had plants blow over in a storm. It's because they're weighted down with cactus rock.
Oh my gosh. Oh no, I don't know if we can save it. No. Oh no, that's horrible. Oh no. We'll leave a rock right there. I just don't know what can happen. Oh. How? How? Boy, that's just the saddest thing. Maybe I can graft it back together. I need to look up how to do this. How to graft it. Fix it. Oops. Yeah, okay.
Whose arm is this?
I don't know.
Does anyone have an after storm care for cactus video? No? We're in it. Step 1, assess the number of casualties. Step 2, stabilize the most injured. Gaping holes first, missing arms second. Step 3, replace cracked pots. And 4, just for cactus. Fine pups, popped off.
Oh my gosh. No. Oh my gosh, my poor baby. My friend. Oh, okay, we'll root you. You okay? Okay. Oh shit. Look at the carnage. Your whole face. Julia. Oh, okay, there's hope. Nice clean break there. Let's rub some dirt in the wound. I just feel cracked pot. Oh my gosh. No. Alright. This one's still good. You're still good, baby. You're coming. Okay. Alright, I know. Let's get you in the something. Okay. I'll tell you what. I'll even give you a good root hormone. Fall. Nip. Put you in there. No. I just counted you earlier. This one too. These are my good pot. You're wounded.
What do you want?
Oh, you took a beating. I'm so sorry, honey. I know, I'm so sorry. Where are you hurt? like on the ground. Where are you hurt? Wrapped around it. Maybe right in there. I don't know about you. You'll be fine. I'm only seeing one. There you are. Oh, there you are. Okay. Oh, you've rooted. How very good. But. Oh, hi. Nice to see you too, son. Your name's gonna be Humpty Dumpty. And your arm went right there, but
wake up with me staring at him. Give him a spook. But he shot me in the forehead. You give me a beta blocker. I need to sit down. Sit down. Oh my. Reptile. It's no toad. It's a toadette.